The OMG tokens are in the information at their vertical cost forecasts and getting more financial backer consideration in view of how they perform contrasted with the opposition. The most recent news inclusion of this underestimated coin is getting additional consideration from the market-changing exchanging choices. It permits clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens less expensive and quicker than making those exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG organization was established by Chatakavanji, a Thai resident working as an auxiliary of SYNQA, which is a Thailand-based fintech organization. It is a decentralized, public organization that permits high throughput, minimal expense, shared exchanges. With it, anybody can execute a scheme across geologies, resource classes, and applications. The OMG network permits one to get to, make do, and execute utilizing advanced resources that are put away safely on the blockchain. The organization depends on a scaling arrangement known as more viable plasma. It utilizes a sidechain designed to make a cluster of a few exchanges, which can then be checked utilizing a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain. As per OMG organization, this innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to great many exchanges each second. This is way higher than whatever Ethereum 1.0 can deal with, which is 10 to 14,000 exchanges each second. The plasma-based sidechain design likewise permits it to increment productivity while decreasing carbon impression by diminishing the power utilization up to 99% contrasted with Ethereum. This is cosmically high while likewise decreasing expenses up to 66% of the ordinary charge. This is finished while ensuring that the resources remain got by the Ethereum blockchain network. As per the site, OMG organization is likewise getting a rebrand as OMG establishment, with millions brought up in the last round of subsidizing around $80 million in Series C financing. OMG at long last sees a few achievement and truly necessary acknowledgement from the crypto market. In the same way as other digital currencies, the administration holds some stock of the all-out portion of coins. As the greatest inventory is fixed, there is supposed to be a most extreme cap of precisely 140,245,398 OMG at the present time. In light of our OMG cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The OMG organization cost estimate for 2026 is $19.23. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 283.72%. OMG organization cost has been showing a rising inclination, and our information demonstrates that the OMG cost has been on an upturn for the beyond 1 year. The future cost of OMG is anticipated at $26.01 following a year, as indicated by our forecast. Taking into account OMG has acquired than 200% in 2021, however, is as yet 70% beneath its pinnacle. It has grabbed financial backers' eye. On the off chance that the DeFi and NFT space keeps on warming up and the Boba network turns into a hit with designers, OMG organization cost could detonate, and its worth could become 10 times by 2025. In view of the OMG organization's verifiable value information and forecasts, we foresee the OMG organization cost could be exchanging around $7.27 toward the year's end 2022. Additionally, it very well may be $11.77 precisely 1 year sometime in the afternoon. In the following 3 years, the most significant level OMG organization cost could reach is $32.61. The OMG organization cost is anticipated to reach $4.01 by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is $5.01. The base cost is $3.41. OMG specialized examination. This high, whenever preceded, can overwhelm 4 years high in something like a year, gave it keeps a decent up-moving business sector. The value history of OMG organization isn't that great in the past 2 years. The drop in cost in 2018 was chiefly because of the forbidding of OMG digital currency and the trades, bringing about high unpredictability at those key levels. With its new high of $5.01 since its underlying stages, OMG organization seems to be a decent chance for brokers. Be that as it may, is it sufficient at this cost to purchase OMG Organize? Is the OMG market currently far beyond the best section point? How about we find out with the specialized investigation? The ongoing cost of OMG organization is $5.01, with the crypto positioning at number 101. The most recent 24 hours ups and downs have been $5.10 and $4.80. Separately, the aggregation has been consistently expanding over the course of the past year and is as yet reliable, with the OMG breaking out the present moment, beating different estimates. As the reception rate for Ethereum Layer 2 arrangements keeps on rising, it will be great for OMG organization also. The OMG organization figure is around $5.01 for the time being, as the unpredictability hasn't hit its most extreme cutoff. In view of the OMG cost forecasts, it is a decent long-haul speculation choice. OMG Value Forecast 2022. With the OMG cost expectation for 2022 around $5.47, it will probably be the year when the fate of OMG organization will essentially ponder the cost graph it structures. The OMG value gauge of $6.53 is sensibly protected assuming the reception rate proceed. The worth of OMG will increment over the long run as it earns the consideration of the crypto local area. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, the OMG value pattern will keep on reflecting potential gain force according to our OMG organization estimate. Subsequently, the OMG cost is supposed to reach $6.58 this year. With regards to industry arrangements, the OMG token offers a couple. The OMG organization runs a bug abundance program, which rewards developers to track down mistakes inside the organization and assists with fixing those issues. This motivating force to find issues in the organization makes it very great, as any issues that will be found could be accounted for back to the improvement group, and the issues could be fixed. This will empower the OMG organization to remain protected from bugs over the long haul. OMG Value Expectation 2024. The OMG coin will stay in the vertical cost pattern in 2024. By 2024, the OMG cost is supposed to be around $7.15 in light of our OMG organization cost expectation. On the disadvantage, the OMG organization cost could confront a cost drop, yet it will remain over its help level of $9.13. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2025. In 2025, the future might be great for OMG organization cost as it acquires the reception rates it was searching for. The dangers implied with the OMG are non-existent as it intends to carry out a superior element sooner rather than later. The OMG cost gauge framework will have a remark about the cost of OMG organization. Yet either exchanging or contributing ought to be done when one knows about the crypto market gambles and the latest thing. Be that as it may, the OMG coin holds the possibility to be a productive speculation which will be reflected soon later on cost of OMG organization. Is OMG organization a wise speculation? In light of our cost conjecture, the OMG organization is a wise speculation. In any case, the crypto market is unpredictable, so clients need to explore a long time before they trade OMG organization.